Merry meet everyone. This is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath, and I am here to give you your weekend reading. I hope you guys had a great week. So, the Sacred Path cards today have given us the standing people, roots and giving. This is what it looks like. Of course, as you must have guessed, here we're talking about the trees and the roots of the trees. But why are we getting a message about the roots and the trees? What this is trying to tell us is that everything is provided for in its own way, in its own manner, and it will give and it will take just as much as it needs. The trees are like us humans. The trees are connections between heaven and earth, right? Just like them, we have, we're standing, we have leaves, we have a body, which is the trunk, we have hands, which are the branches. Sorry. So basically, it's like, we, both of us, the trees and the human beings, like the standing people and the two-legged people, they're both what, the Indians call connection between heaven and earth. The only difference being that these trees, they are very connected to the earth. They're extremely connected to the earth. They know how much they need. They take only what they need. They do not get greedy and overindulge for unnecessary reasons. The point is, we as human beings are doing that a lot. This weekend is for us to get up and look at how much greed we have within us. Are we taking unnecessarily? Are we not giving? Are we not sharing? This week is an important week to maybe just for some time put the other before us. It's necessary to put the other before us this weekend. It's extremely important to, for a little while, be in service. There are a lot of people who are always in service, but there are a few people who need this reminder. And to balance things out, there are people who need the reminder to be able to receive that service, because the cycle, giving and receiving, is a cycle. Like how Mother Nature takes care of the trees, and the trees hold on to Mother Nature. It's exactly like that. If you're rooted in the ground, and if you're rooted in reality, you can fly higher. You can go much higher. The idea is to remember that rooting is the most important thing. The most important thing. Today and tomorrow are good days to do grounding meditations. So what helps grounding? Standing with your feet apart, firmly placed on the ground, and just kind of feeling it. Visualizing a root going down from your root chakra into the ground and gripping the ground. That is grounding. Another thing is, when you're feeling spaced out or when you're feeling very out there, it's important maybe you eat something, but not too much, just a little bit, just a little bit you eat. A shower is very grounding. Even dancing, just anything to do with the physical body. Just looking around and activating every sense. Like think of 5 things that you can see, smell, touch, hear, all of that. If you do that, you can taste. The minute you do that, it starts grounding you, brings you back into this reality. So this weekend is all about being in touch with reality and sharing and giving, and also at a certain point receiving, because without people receiving, you can't really give, can you? Right? So I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will see you in the week. Take care. Love you. Bye-bye.